Everyone aligns Las Vegas with fun and enjoyment. The demanding high life can consume every buck you have. What many people don't know is that Las Vegas has many attractions that are completely free. Who wouldn't want that? Number 1. Ethel M Chocolade Fabriek. A short drive to Henderson introduces you to Ethel M Chocolate's chocolate. In the factory you can walk past the machines to see the chocolatiers at work. Their botanical cactus garden, the largest in Nevada, is also highly recommended. And if you are in Las Vegas for the holidays, the cacti are decorated with 1 million colorful lights. So super fun. Number 2. Flamingo Wildlife Habitat. The Flamingo Hotel and Casino is the place to go for wildlife watching in Las Vegas. In the outdoor area of the hotel is a herd of Chilean flamingos and a number of parrots that you can take a picture with. Turtles, koi fish, swans, and ducks swim in a pond. A must for nature lovers and families, and that also costs nothing. Number 3. Las Vegas Sign. A must-stop during your visit to Las Vegas is the Las Vegas sign. It's the place to take a selfie with the Las Vegas sign and show off that you've been to Las Vegas. There are now special parking spaces to safely reach the sign. Parking. Number 4. Fountains and Botanical Garden of the Bellagio Hotel. The Fountain Show is one of the main attractions in Las Vegas. The free water show is performed several times a day, each time with different music, and that makes it fun to watch it several times. Also at the Bellagio is a free activity not to be missed. The large indoor space is filled with ever-changing flower displays and flower displays. These change seasonally, so are always worth checking out. Number 5. Hand of Faith. In the Golden Nugget Hotel and Casino you will find the largest nugget of gold in existence. The gold nugget Hand of Faith is 61 pounds, was found on September 1, 1980 by Kevin Hillier in Wedderburn, Australia. He found the gold nugget barely a foot underground with his metal detector. Hillier sold his gold nugget to the Golden Nugget for over $1 million. Number 6. Shelby Museum. Carroll Shelby was an American car designer and racing driver who became known for 2 muscle cars. The AC Cobra and Ford Mustang are 2 cars produced by the Shelby Car Factory. The plant moved to Nevada in 1998, making it the state's first and only auto manufacturing plant. In the Shelby Museum you can get acquainted with the cars of racing driver Shelby. Number 7. Fremont Street Experience. Something different from the Strip is the old downtown of Las Vegas. Here you will find the Fremont Street Experience spread over 5 blocks in downtown Las Vegas. You can enjoy free bands and DJs here. The light show on the world's largest video screen is also recommended. A 457-meter long and 27-meter wide video screen shows a 6-minute show of sound and light every hour. Insanely beautiful and special. Number 8. Venetian Hotel. The Venetian Hotel is a place where you can enjoy yourself all day long. You will find the San Marco Square completely transformed like the variant in the real Venice. Street performers, gondola rides, and architecture as you would find in the real Venice. The Venetian is the largest hotel in Las Vegas with 7,000 rooms. Everything looks Venetian, a copy of the Doge's Palace, a beautiful sky with blue clouds and a summer feeling in the Grand Canal. Furthermore, a very large indoor mall with many design shops.